everybody, it's Sophie and I work for Sally Holland, the Children's Commissioner for Wales. Sally's job is to make sure every single one of you is kept happy, healthy and safe. Today we're going to be learning about Article 31, your right to relax and play. I really like this one. So let's have a think for a second. What is your favourite game? How about we all close our eyes for 2 minutes and think about what our favourite game is and why. You can pause the video if you like. Right then, has everyone got their thinking hats on? What is your favourite game? Why is it your favourite game? Do you like playing outside? Do you like playing inside? Do you like playing with a toy or maybe a piece of technology? Do you like playing with somebody else or maybe on your own? How about you teach a friend, a family member or somebody else who lives in your house what your favourite game is? Maybe then they can teach you what their favourite game is and you can have a whole day of fun playing and learning about Article 31, your right to relax and play.